Hello everyone, this is Jeremy here from Mad Vape Statesville. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Stick X8. It's a cool little device. It's the Stick V8 kit, but with the X Baby Beast on there, the Big Baby Beast X. It's got the same capacity. It's got the same 3,000 mAh battery with the zero point 0.1 minimum resistance, 2.5 maximum resistance on there. So you can throw other things and stuff like that if you want to, but I don't know why you would, because this thing is made perfectly for the mod itself. You got top airflow on this thing, so no longer do you have to worry about things like leaking and stuff like that. It's got a nice wide top airflow, and it kind of, like when you breathe in on it, when you vape, it pulls air in and it goes down and then around the sides of the coil and then up through the middle to cool it down. So there's no way for it to overleak or anything. You may get a gurgle from time to time, but you can vape that right out. You just gotta vape it a couple times and it'll go back to normal. I have to say, these things are amazing. They come in cool different colors: red, blue, gold, black, stainless, rainbow. That's pretty cool. The coils on these things, they're definitely a little bit bigger than what you're used to with the Baby Beast coils. They definitely have some weird shapes and stuff like that, but they use a lot of the same designs as the Baby Beast. Like, this is the X4 right here. It's got the two holes in the top. You can see them down in there somewhat, but you can see it's the X4, so if you want a little bit bigger of a hit than the one you get in the tank. The one in the tank is the M2, so it's just a single cylinder, mild hit. You're looking to get about 35 watts out of that one. You're going to be able to get closer to the 50 watt with the X4 in it. But all in all, it's an amazing device. Smok keeps reinventing themselves and finding new ways to make better products and come out with some cool new stuff. In the box, it comes with a warranty card. Now, with Mad Vapes, you get 30 days anyway if there's a problem with the device. If it's not working and there's not a way that we can fix the device, then we will exchange it for another one or something similar. But after that point, Smok's got your back. I think they got another 2 months on ours, so it's 3 months altogether, 90 days, that you can send them the device with the receipt and all that stuff, and they'll take care of you. Smok Tech's always been doing that. It may take you a little while. It's got to go all the way to China, but I mean, they're always honoring their warranties and things like that, so I got to give it to them for that. In the box also, you have some vape rings, just like, they're putting vape rings in all their tanks nowadays, which would help protect the glass and all that. It comes with a charging cord, and it comes with, you got some extra little seals and stuff in there, and then you can change the seals from black to purple with the rainbow one. So, like I said, all in all, it's a great device. I can't complain about it. I mean, it's really nice, so hope to see some of you guys out to pick up one of these, and everyone have a wonderful day.